Hi, this is Ingo from Fenstermann. If I put on a tie, you can be sure something important is gonna happen. Today is January 20th, 2023. And you know that we developed and have a patent pending product. It's a bottom-up, top-down shade that it's child safe. And we got so many phone calls and emails and interest from you guys to say, Ingo, when can we see the product? And you know what? Now. This is our bottom-up, top-down shade. It's already tested adhering the new Canadian law and it passed. Our product contains 2 UGAT Plus rails, which is thanks to our manufacturer painted in Fenstermann colors and the shade itself. But let's see what's so special on this product. Our UGAT Plus rails have protecting walls, so the cord runs behind the walls, so it's impossible for your children to pull the cord out. We also have an extended cord slide. The extended cord slide is attached to the shade itself and pushes the cord behind the protecting walls. Again, to keep the cord out of your children's reach. Last but not least, we have our end cap. The end cap comes already assembled to the UGAT Plus rail and has an integrated base. So when you mount the shoe to the integrated base, again, it pushes the cord behind the protecting walls. In the front of the end cap, we have a shoe lock. The shoe lock prevents the shoe, the mounting shoe, to being just easily pulled out from your children. This blind opens bottom up and top down, goes in any direction to manage light and privacy. It's available for sale mid of February. So if you're interested in the product as an end consumer to protect your children, if you're interested in this product as a designer or dealer to protect the children of your clients, please give us a call, contact us at www.fenstermann.com and request some more information. Thank you so much and welcome to the world reveal of Fenstermann Child Safe Bottom Up Top Down Shades.